Here I've got HUAWEI Y6P, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and now go to wallpaper. Select more wallpapers, tap on next, agree with all the permissions, and now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. Here we've got also live wallpapers. As you can see, we currently do not have any of live wallpapers downloaded, so I will pick some from the static. It can be this one or that one, it's up to you, just pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, this one. You can customize it. You can also blur it if you click right this, and then you can adjust it to your needs, but I don't want to activate it. And also you can have the scrollable wallpaper, and this is what I will pick. Tap on confirmation mark and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen, or both, and I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.